So what we are going to learn in our storage and data lake storage, Azure storage and data lake storage module concepts. We need to have subscriptions, resources, resource group, storage account, data lake storage account, explorer tool, and authentication to the explorer tool. First part. Then second part is all about operations, browser operations, container operations. Browser means here web browser, Google Chrome or Firefox, Edge, any browser. Something called container and above explorer tool operations. These operations go in second chapter. Third chapter is all about security. Various levels of security we need to learn. Total there are 4 levels of security we need to learn in ADLS concepts. 3 levels for regular storage plus extra 1 more level for ADLS. Using security items, we need to have migrations. 4th chapter. IoT hubs. 5th chapter. Monitors and notifications. Same color. 6th chapter. From there we identify certain performance issues. We can happily rectify them, address them using something called replication and few infrastructure elements and load balancing components. 7th chapter. Then 8th, event hubs. Then understand differences between IoT and event hubs. 9th, Azure table strength encryptions. Encryption actually comes under security, but has something to do with monitoring aspects as well. Hence, I included same color for these 3 items. They can be taken individually or can be integrated together. This is a complete agenda, a 2 weeks agenda. In our entire Azure data engineering 7 weeks, a 2-week agenda for ADLS module concepts that includes storage resource, data lake storage resource, stream analytic resource, metrics resource, action group and notification resource, and something called as key vault resource, event hub resource, and IoT resource. Total, there are 9 different components we need to work with in this 2 weeks module out of all the 7 weeks classes. It's very, very crucial. Need your support. On-time practice required. Come on, everyone. We'll start now the practice part. Yes, yesterday we did the introduction part yesterday. These items, and you have the diagram for it, right? Azure. Hope you remember everyone this diagram, yesterday's class. Please, I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, mic with you all. Please take it. Please take it. Please,
Yes,
mic
we
with you.
remember.
Perfect. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine, sir. Fine. Yeah. Attendees who joined bit late, kindly check your mic. Please check your mic. Okay. So yesterday we did the introduction. We implemented this lab plan. We got the basic ground ready. Now we need to slowly step into operations. Let's do storage browser operations first. Identify limitations, container operations, again identify limitations, and explorer tool, the tool that we installed yesterday, this one. Let's go in order, slowly, step by step, in a meaningful way. You got the notes yesterday. Hope you implemented it. Anyone missing yesterday's class, please do let me know. I'll be providing you the detailed notes once again today. Please go through the things carefully.
Sir, I didn't get the notes.
Yeah, just let me know after the class today. I'll do.
Okay.
If anyone pending with the registrations, you'll be receiving it from our team after the class. Make sure you follow it carefully. Take a print copy of the notes if possible. Please follow it as it is. Let's start with our next item, that is operations, right? This one. Let's start with our next item, that is browser operations, container operations, explorer operations. Three different levels. Let's get started now. Better to take a print copy of the notes if possible. We'll start with browser operations first, storage browser, then container. From there, we are going to have something called explorer tool, one by one. Let's get started. Let's get started here. We'll do it slowly, step by step.